Hello and welcome. Today's project, the Harley Davidson Tribute Bowl. It's going to be made from maple and oak segments in the style of a chip and dip bowl. First of all, I started by making all the maple segments. The wood looks a bit stripy in colour. This was caused by the router bit being used to clean the wood up being a bit blunt and burning its way along the wood rather than cutting it. I will be helped in due course by Harley the robot, who will assemble the blank for the bowl. This bowl has some hidden extras, so please watch out for them. I hope you like the video and enjoy it as much as I do. Then it was off to the oak segments. These were made from reclaimed oak floorboards, which had to be laminated together to make the required thickness. It's now over to Harley the robot to do the business. Thanks for that, Harley. This is the centre of the bowl being turned to shape. It will fit inside the main bowl, creating a small holder for the dip to be placed. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, please do. I'd love to hear from you. I glued the centre turning boss into the bowl blank with hot glue. This turned out to be very successful. Now it was time for some turning. Today's big question: how many clips do you think it took to make the robot Harley scene? This combination of maple and oak is proving to be spectacular for turning. The shape I want the outside to be is a slight incline from the pencil line, moving out to the edge of the turning boss. For the upper part, I want it to be convex with a rounded over lip. I made a cardboard template for the shape I wanted the outside of the bowl to be. For the inside of the bowl, I wanted concave sides with an overhanging lip. Watch out for the great reveal. For the centre ring, I made it concave on the outside with a round over top. The bowl was sanded inside and out with grits ranging from 80 to 600. I gave the bowl 5 coats of lacquer and sanded between each coat. Then I went on to create the bottom of the bowl. This also had concave sides with a small recess for my logo. As another added extra, I'm going to modify the light to illuminate the Harley emblem. It will fit inside the bowl below the emblem itself. I 3D printed a holder for the light and shoehorned all the components in. and here it is, in all its glory. For those of you who would like to see the making of the Harley emblem, it follows shortly, and for the rest of you, bye for now and thanks for watching.